project of this scope and magnitude doesn't just happen. It requires seeking certainty for a successful outcome well before the first product is installed. Certainty creates success. At Texan Floor, we seek certainty because every job is important and success isn't optional.
It starts with solid estimation. Texan Floor has 3 full-time estimators who utilize the latest in industry-specific estimating technology to ensure every detail of the plan set is captured and accurate. Each project at Texan Floor is assigned to a project manager who is dedicated to that project from the day it is booked until final punch. Texan Floor has 4 floor covering professionals who serve as its project managers. Each is conversant on the latest floor covering finishes and technologies in the industry. All 4 of our project managers are OSHA 30 certified and bilingual. The project manager's job is to seek certainty in every facet of the project. The project manager's job starts with making sure all finishes, trims, and sundries match project specifications, which includes a thorough analysis of the takeoff and proposal. The project manager also checks every material ordered on the job to confirm that what has been ordered and received matches project specifications. When the project manager is certain everything on paper matches, that is when the communication and verification process begins. On every job, Texan Floor project managers have a job handoff meeting. In this meeting, the salesman, operations manager, coordinator, estimator, and installation technician all meet together in collaboration with the project manager to discuss every aspect of the project. In this meeting, we seek certainty on manpower requirements, durations for installation, sequencing requirements with other trades, best practices with respect to the means and methods for the installation, logistics for job siting materials, and job site access and reporting requirements. Whenever possible, the job handoff meeting is concluded with a site walk. The site walk is integral to our efforts to seek certainty for every job. During the site walk, the project manager conducts a thorough review of the conditions on site and the overall progress of the construction. The project manager verifies that the as-builts match the plans, that site conditions are consistent with expectations with respect to product manufacturer and industry standard requirements, and that the progress of construction is suitable for mobilization.
We've done all of Waller ISD work over the summer. It was around 13,000 yards of carpet, some 6,000 square feet of gymnasium floor, 33,000 linear feet of wall rubber base. That's about 6.25 miles.
Here at Roberts Road Elementary, we had to level the drains out prior to applying a moisture mitigation. On top of the moisture mitigation, we applied an epoxy quartz floor at around a 1/4 inch thick. This gives them both longevity in terms of abrasion resistance and chemical resistance.
But that is not where the verification process ends. The project manager is also responsible for reviewing all conditions preceding to beginning work on the job site, including any and all compliance and safety-related requirements. Safety is the #1 priority at Texan Floor. In today's industry, every job has different requirements for verifying that those on the project site are conducting themselves with the highest regard for safety. Texan Floor seeks certainty on safety as its primary objective. All safety and compliance related functions are consolidated in-house at Texan Floor through the compliance director. The project manager works in concert with the compliance director to ensure all pre-construction requirements such as badging, safety training, testing, and job-specific documentation have been completed. In addition to communicating internally, Texan Floor project managers seek certainty in their communications with the customer directly. Our project managers insist on engaging with the end user to align expectations, from working hours and trade sequencing through install durations, phasing, and final punch.
All right, guys, I really appreciate this job you did. It was a wonderful, beautiful job. I know you put a lot of hours in, hard work. And I want to thank also all the team members back at Texan, from the receptionist back to the warehouse manager. Jobs like this don't come off perfectly unless you are part of the team, and I want to thank you for it. We've done over $400 million with a floor covering in the last 39 years at Texan, and it's only because of our team and our employee owners that make jobs like this a success.